Jing Lusi is a Chinese-born British actress. Her first television role was as junior Dr. Tara Lowe in the BBC television series Holby City. Lucy was part of the original cast of the European premiere of Amy Herzog's play 4,000 Miles. She has presented for the BBC, as well as being the focus for the documentaries My Chinese New Year and Chinese New Year, The Biggest Celebration on Earth. She appeared in Sky One's Stan Lee's Lucky Man as Lily-Anne Lau and co-starred in the 2018 Warner Bros. film Crazy Rich Asians as Amanda Mandy Ling, a Manhattan socialite. Lucy was born in Pudong, Shanghai, and moved with her parents to the United Kingdom at the age of 5. She studied at Peter Symonds College, Winchester, obtaining all A grades at A-level before studying law at University College London. Lucy began her career in independent and international films. In 2009, Lucy played Princess Li Hua in Crew Studios' The Malay Chronicles, Bloodlines. The film required Lucy to speak Bahasa Malay, which she had to learn phonetically. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.